Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel. I am beedee, and today I'm presenting my fall pedicure routine. I'll be using some pumpkin scented products and a beautiful pumpkin colored nail polish. So if you want to see what my routine looks like when the seasons change, just keep watching. To start, I will be getting some vibrations going in my foot spa. Unfortunately, this one doesn't give me any bubbles, so I have to create my own. This is my last pedicure, my last summer pedicure, and as you can see, I am overdue for a new one. So I'm going to be adding this pumpkin and tonka body wash from Target to the foot spa to create some bubbles. Just going to agitate the water a little bit. And then I'm going to soak my feet for about 5 minutes before I start to remove my polish. My polish, I'm just going to be using some acetone on some cotton rounds. On my big toe, I had a little bit of glitter as well, so I'm going to just let that one sit for a bit and remove the polish on my other toes. And by the time I'm done with that, the glitter should be ready to be removed from my big toe. Trimming down my nails. I don't like them to be too long, so I'm going to trim them down but leave a little length so that I can shape them and have them look nice and neat. See, I have a lot of cuticle and just build up on the nail bed surface, and I like to remove that before applying my polish, and I use the Sally Hansen cuticle remover to do so. I just apply a little bit of the gel to that area and I let it sit for about 15 seconds. Then I take a little tool and I start to push back some of that buildup, and it comes up very easily. I highly recommend this step as it really makes it feel like you're getting a professional pedicure, okay, but at home, so it's a win-win. So I'm just going to do that, and then I'm going to go ahead and put my foot back into the foot spa so that I can start to remove some of this buildup. Now for anything that I was not able to get up with the cuticle removing gel, I take a physical cuticle removing tool to get up the remaining bits, and I love this tool. This is probably my favorite part of the pedicure, which I've mentioned. If you've seen any of my other pedicure videos, I love to do this part. And again, this is just a nice finishing touch to really seal the deal and give you a nice clean surface before you start to polish. Now it is time to exfoliate. I will be using my favorite Tree Hut Sugar Scrub in the Bohemian Escape scent. It is in this beautiful orange color, which is perfect for this theme, and I'm just applying that to my feet to get them nice and smooth. Next, I'll be using this pumpkin and tonka lotion from the beloved Target collection to moisturize my feet. Although this is a hand lotion, I like to use things for multiple purposes, and the consistency on this lotion was perfect actually to be used as a foot cream, so I really did like it. It left my feet nice and smooth. It's time to polish. So first I'm going to be removing any excess lotion from my nails with an alcohol swab, and then I'm going to go in with my most favorite polish for the fall time, which is from OPI. To get the best polish application, I just like to take my time. I am in no means or in no way perfect at this. I still struggle and I don't always get it exactly right, but I try to take my time so that it can come out neat and I clean up any spills that I might have or any excess polish that seeps into the cuticle area or on my toe. I try to make sure that I get that off and just relax during this period. Self pedicures are a very relaxing self-care activity that I love to do, and I hope that you all will do them as well. It not only saves you money, but it just feels good to be able to do some things on your own. So I definitely recommend that, especially for the fall, as more of us will be staying indoors. Treat yourself to a nice little fall pedicure. So yeah, I'm just going to apply the polish to all of my toes and repeat on the other foot, and then I will be going in with a second coat as well. Now, because I love a little shedangliness, I am going in with a glitter polish that I picked up from the dollar store just to give my nails a little razzle dazzle, or rather just my big toe. I like an accent nail on my pedicures, so I'm going to just take a nail art brush and apply some of this glitter polish to the big toe. And I also went ahead and added some crystals to the big toe as well, which you will see in the next clips. added top coat, and that is basically it. I hope you all enjoyed this video and that you give this pedicure a try for the fall time. Definitely give your feet that TLC that they need. And if you enjoy content like this, please be sure to subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up. God bless you, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.